In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the color of your lips on Facetune. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up the Facetune application on your device and then log into your account if necessary. Now you can select your desired picture from your gallery by tapping on the gallery icon at the top left corner. Now just go ahead and select your picture. Once you select your picture, you will find the various edit menus at the bottom section. Just scroll over to the right until you find Makeup. Just tap on it and this will first begin detecting your face. Now from the makeup screen, just tap on the lipstick option and now you can choose from various different colors for your lips. Just go ahead and choose your desired lip color and you can also adjust the levels by using the slider above it. When you're satisfied, tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner and now you can download your image by tapping on the download button at the top right. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the color of your lips on Facetune. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.